How's it going, guys? My name is Jamani Hickson here with City World Toyota, and today we're going to be talking about our 2019 Tacoma TRD Pro Double Cab in Cavalry Blue, one of our most popular colors. Now, if you take a look here, this actually comes with the feature for the Toyota Certified hardtop cover. Now, if you want to open it up, you open the trunk and come around the left bottom side. It's going to be right here. Just pull it inwards one time, it'll open up, you push it up, and once you flip it, same exact thing one more time. So that way you get a little bit more vertical room depending on what you're trying to keep in there. Also, no one from the outside can access and open your trunk. Now, when you do have the cover on, you're going to have 19.1 inches of vertical room as well as 60.5 inches of length for whatever that you do have to keep inside the vehicle. And that is our 2019 Tacoma TRD Pro. And remember, it's better to buy in the Bronx.